Copenhagen, the capital of Denmark, is a vibrant and culturally rich destination that attracts visitors from all over the world. Known for its stunning architecture, picturesque canals, and friendly locals, Copenhagen offers a unique blend of history, modernity, and Scandinavian charm. One spectacular way to enjoy the beauty of Copenhagen is through an aerial view. Drone video allows travelers to experience Copenhagen's cityscape in a new way and appreciate its architecture from above. Copenhagen is Denmark's largest city and has many attractions that showcase its rich heritage. The famous Nyhavn waterfront, with its colorful buildings and bustling cafes, is a must-see for tourists. The city also boasts of several magnificent palaces such as Christiansborg Palace and Amalienborg Palace, which give a glimpse of Denmark's royal history. The tourism industry in the city of Copenhagen is thriving with a wide range of activities to suit the interests of every traveler. Food lovers can enjoy delicious Danish cuisine at local restaurants or visit lively food markets such as Torvhallen. For those seeking outdoor adventure, Copenhagen offers beautiful parks and gardens such as Tivoli Gardens or Frederiksberg Have, where you can relax or have a picnic. The city's cultural life thrives with world-class museums such as the National Museum of Denmark and the Louisiana Museum of Modern Art. Those interested in Danish design are highly recommended to visit the Danish Design Museum or explore the trendy Rebro neighborhood. Whether you're interested in history, art, design, or just want to immerse yourself in the laid-back Scandinavian lifestyle, Copenhagen offers something for everyone. Plan your visit ahead to discover why this charming city continues to captivate travelers from around the world.